Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
Fine.
Are you fine really?
Yes.
Okay, before we start the class, let me check for the attendance. Is there somebody cannot come to this class?
No.
Okay, all of you is come, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, before we start the class also, let's check for the cleanness here. Maybe you can take and then put in the trash before we start, okay? Clean?
Clean.
Okay. Next, maybe for pray, let me choose for Lulu to lead for the pray, please.
Before we start lesson, let's pray together.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, class. You should remember for the previous lesson. No. Okay. So, what is the lesson for today? Okay, multiplication of fraction. So the previous lesson is addition and subtraction multiplication. Okay. Okay, here I will next. Okay. About the learning objectives for this lesson, we will understanding the concept of multiplication of fraction and then enumerate the steps in multiplication of fraction. Then after we know the step of multiplication of fraction, we can continue it to simplify fraction before and after multiplication, and for the last, solve the problems involving the multiplication of fraction in the real life context. So here there are like a video we can watch first. The basic concept of multiplying a fraction. Alright. Are you curious? Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, that is the basic concept of multiplication of fraction, and next I will explain about how to multiply for the fraction. Before we start, maybe I want to remind you about the concept of fraction. Here I have 1/2. Okay, we can say for in the above is what?
Numerator.
Okay, numerator, and then for the bottom.
Denominator.
Okay. Alright. Okay. When we know about the fraction, we also know for three types. For the first is here numbers like 1, 2, 3, and etc. Right. Number second is the common fraction, like 1/2, 3/1, and etc. And the last one is a mixed fraction, like 1/2. Okay, before we start for the multiplication of fraction, we should know how to make for numbers and then mixed fraction to be normal fraction. Stop, right? Okay, if there are numbers and mixed fraction in the multiplying of fraction, we can change it to the common fraction. Like, okay, for the example, okay, Dida, if I have like 3, so the common fraction is blah 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 over blah blah.
3/1.
Okay, 3/1, correct? All?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, for another example, if I have here 1 over 2. So the common fraction is
3 over 2.
okay 3 over 2 because 2 multiply 1 is 2 and then plus 1. Okay. Okay, we can next for the next material. Here we can start for the multiply. So the steps is number 1. If there are two common fraction, we can multiply for the numerator, and then for the second is we can multiply for the denominator, and then we can also simplify for the large fraction. Okay, for the example, number 1, if I have 1 over 2 multiply 2 over 1, okay, we can check for the first step, multiply for the numerator. So here, the numerator is 1 times 2 equals 2, alright, over. And then for the second step is multiply for the denominator. Okay, is 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay, because we have 2 over 2, we can simplify for the large fraction to be 1. Okay, here. Okay, for the next example, maybe if I have, right, let's practice. Here, maybe I have 8 2 over 4 multiply 1 over 2. First, because we have mixed fraction, we should to change to the common fraction. Okay, here for the 8 2 over 4 is 4 times 8. How many? 32, and then plus 2. So equals 34 over 4. And then we have 1 over 2. Okay, we can come back to the first step, that we can multiply for the above first. So 34 multiply 1 is 34, and 4 multiply 2 is 8. Can we simplify it? No?
Yeah.
How? Okay, all of them is divided by 2. Okay, 34 divided by 2 is 17, and then 8 divided by 2?
4.
Okay, 4. So, is that correct for the equals is 17 over 8? Okay, so the answer is false. Okay, maybe I will check for your capability here. So I have 2 questions. Who wants to be a volunteer? I have this one for the first question. Okay, who wants to be my volunteer? Please. Okay, Sonny, come here. For the number first, can you answer for that? Okay, number 1 is 1 over 2 multiply 4 over 5 multiply 3 over 8. Okay. let's check. Okay, is that correct? So we can check. So we have problem 1/2 multiply 4/5 and then multiply 3/8. We also follow for the step. For the first is multiply for the numerator first and then multiply for. Alright, we can multiply 1 times 4 times 3 equals. Correct, yeah? Okay. And then the numerator 2 times 5 times 8 is 80. And then we have 12/80. We can simplify it, right? To be 3/20. So the answer is true. Okay, thank you so much, Sonny. Applause to Sonny. Okay, for the second. Alright, the answer is true. Okay, here. Okay, I have 1/6 times 2/4/5. Can you help me please to be a volunteer? Okay, Lulu, come here. For the second. Alright, let's check. Correct or not? True or false? Your answer for the PPT. Oh, alright. Okay, maybe we can check. For the question is for 1/6. 1/6 multiply 4/5. Then because that is what we call mixed fraction, so we should to change it to common fraction here. Okay, for the first is for 1/6 to be 6 multiply 4 is 24 and then plus 1 is 25/6. Okay, correct. And then multiply. Okay, for the second fraction, we can multiply 5 times 2 is 10. Then plus 4 is 14/5. And then we can follow for the step of multiplication of fraction. 25 multiply 14 is 350. Okay, then we can multiply for the 6 and 1 is 30. Okay, can we simplify that one? Okay, how?
Divided by 10.
Okay, divided by 10. So the result is 35/3. So the answer in that PPT, is that true or false?
False.
Okay, false. Okay, applause for Lulu. Okay, here guys. I have like worksheet for you, and then you can divide it by maybe 2 of you to be 3 groups. Here for the worksheet, I will give one paper to one group for 2 people. Here also. Okay, maybe I will give 2 minutes. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 minutes from right now. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, can I get for your alright, it's good. Your marks. Okay, I will give for the marks. Maybe for the next week I will check it first. Okay. So here for multiplication of fraction, for the last one I will give you some pass to more understanding you here. So here for the here for your homework, you can solve the one in your home. Only one question, like they have collected. Oh, sorry. The Greek pupils have been collecting food for survivor of a typhoon. They have collected 1/2 box of noodles. Each box contains 12 packs of noodles. How many packs of noodles have they collected at home? So you can do it in your home, and then next week we can discuss about it. Okay? Are you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. Before I stop or I close the class, is there any question for